So here is something that might shock viewers from non-Asian countries, and that would be just how we hang our clothes here in Singapore. We don't use dryers because we have a whole lot of sun at our disposal. Now, if you come to Singapore and you visit the heartlands, you would see bamboo sticks filled with clothes hanging outside for, everyone to see. That might be a culture shock for some, or something of amusement. How we actually hang our clothes, I would say it is environmentally friendly because you don't use any electricity. All you need is a couple of bamboo sticks, clips, and you just have to wait a couple of minutes to maybe an hour or so, and voila, your clothes are dried. So today I am going to show you just how we hang our clothes Singapore style. Okay, so the first thing you are going to need is a bamboo stick that is supported on both ends. Next up, get your wet clothes and hang them. Last step, get these kind of clips to basically clip them on these clothes because you wouldn't want them to be flown away. Okay, and that is all for it. Now you're just going to hang it outside and let the sun do its work. So here we have these poles that you can fit the bamboo sticks on. There are 3 of them over here. Alternatively, there are these slots here as well that can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 bamboos over here. So basically, you put it sliding in, and this acts as the lock and parallel slot over there. So the bamboo sticks goes into the hole over here, 1 each,